Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and one of my videos. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how can we resize or move a photo in Microsoft Word. So let me line my Microsoft Word before doing that. So please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel MTech and follow me on YouTube. And if you have any question or anything else, you can just write down on the comments below, and I will read your comments. So I will make a video tutorial for that. So I will launch my Microsoft Word and let me come to insert pictures. So I will find pictures from my local files. So I will choose one of these. Okay. So, friends, the picture is already inserted in Microsoft Word. So if I want to move it or if I want to resize it, it resize, but see, it cannot allow us to move it or do anything else. So what should I do? If I want to, for example, bring another photo and I want to make it like if I go to insert picture and I will insert another picture here and see I want to bring it back here, or I want to put these two photos beside of each other, so it's not accessible. See, there is one way to do that. Okay, please click the picture one and come to wrap text. Choose in front text or behind text, one of this. Okay, I will choose in front text. Okay, now see, it's we can move it everywhere. Okay, but still this one cannot. Okay, and also choose this in front text. So see, I can just bring it these two pictures beside of each other. That was it, so easy. So we can, by choosing on the picture, when you insert a picture from insert, so another menu comes automatically will appear in the top, on the top. So its name is format. So you can just come to wrap text, and from here you can choose in front text or behind text. Okay, on the picture. So in the future, we will know about behind text and other these things. So just for this to solve the issue that the picture is not moving, or we want to change the place of this picture in the Microsoft Word. So as you see before, before clicking or selecting this, we are not able to move. And one thing else I want to show you, and that bring forward and send to back is not so when it's, we can also for example want to bring a picture back or front, you can choose it. For example, if I put it here, I want to the picture of this man behind this lady can appear first, so you can choose bring forward from here. So, sorry, click this lady's photo and click it send to back, and this appears here. So that was it, dear friends. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends. At the end, if you have any question or if you face with any issues in your PC, please do not hesitate, ask me on the comments, so I will make a tutorial for that. Okay, goodbye and good night, goodbye, see you till next video.